Hi guys, I'm Valerie Lawson and I'm back in the UK with MAC Cosmetics. Last year, we had a really successful masterclass and I have been brought back to train the very talented MAC Cosmetics staff nationwide. As a makeup artist and educator, it's important to teach and emphasize on the difference between our overall brown complexion and a very extensive range of undertones. In this class, I covered shade matching, multifunctional uses of some of their products, and different application techniques for different looks and skin finishes. I was also able to debunk a couple of myths around working on brown skin. I want to say a huge thank you to the MAC Cosmetics team for putting this together, to the staff and everyone that joined, everyone that asked questions and contributed. You were so kind and you made this such a fun learning experience. I am confident that you will thrive individually as artists and collectively as a brand.
Hey Valerie, we just want to say a massive thank you for taking the time to come and show us all of your tips and tricks today. I love the fact that you showed our artists and our teams how you can multi-use products, but also just how to make skin and eyes and absolutely everything about the face look so beautifully flawless without being overly complicated.
Thank you, Valerie. A massive thank you. I found it very insightful and it's a great opportunity for our artists. It was really great to see how engaged they were and how many participants there were as well. So a massive thank you and hopefully we can see you again soon.
The feedback has been great, been really excited. Great tips to the counter.
Valerie, thank you so much. That was the most amazing masterclass. You spoke so authentically to the artist, shared so many tips and tricks, all your insider knowledge, your decades worth of experience. We cannot thank you enough. This has been an absolute seminal moment at MAC. Thank you so much.